Hi, I'm Julia with Von Tobel, and this is our Kemper Choice foil kitchen. This is the Troxel door with cloud color. So it is a textured foil versus it being smooth. It gives it a little bit more of a realistic wood look, but still giving you that unrealistic color. So kind of fun to have a little bit of texture in your kitchen. We have a few features we want to show you in this kitchen. We have the diagonal cutlery divider here. This allows you to be able to store your larger, longer utensils as well as the shorter ones, giving you a little bit more variety as far as what you want to put in here for your kitchen gadgets. We have a dish peg drawer because sometimes you don't have a lot of wall cabinets, and this would allow you to store your dishes down below and keep them organized and safe. And then at the very end, we have a 9-inch tray cabinet. It's just a chrome insert in there, but it allows you to be able to slide your cookie sheets and cutting boards in there without them flopping all over the place, so keeping them a little bit more organized. The countertop we featured in this display is a high gloss laminate. We actually use it as a dry erase board sometimes, being able to put funny jokes on the end, but we did do that waterfall end in here, meaning the countertop wraps on the top and down the sides on both sides. It makes it very contemporary and gives you a really fun look. If this is something you would love to see in your home, go to vontobels.com and request a design consultation.